Welcome, outdoor chefs! You're about to discover a total revolution in Dutch oven cooking with new tools from CampMaid solutions that will change the way you cook with a Dutch oven. In 300 years, Dutch oven cooking hasn't changed as much as you're about to witness in the next 3 minutes. But grilling, smoker cooking, tailgate barbecue, camp griddles, and more have been constantly evolving. CampMaid Solutions brings all of these cooking styles together and packs them inside your 12-inch Dutch oven. These revolutionary tools were designed to improve your Dutch oven experience, but they also turn your Dutch oven into so much more. If you already own a Dutch oven, you may not know it, but you also own a camp griddle, a pizza oven, a portable smoker, a vegetable steamer, and more. You just need the right tools to unlock all that potential. CampMaid Solutions developed the first Dutch oven lid tool that holds your lid securely and keeps it out of the dirt. But this handy lid tool also becomes a serving stand when your meal is done, keeping it above dirt and ashes and saving your back from constantly bending over to serve your masterpiece from the ground. This helps keep your meal warm but won't burn your table, so you can put your meal right where it's most convenient. Add CampMaid's charcoal holder and you get an adjustable heat source for keeping your meal hot. Just slide this handy tool up or down to move your heat source closer or further from your oven. This charcoal holder also serves as a super compact charcoal starter, and that's not all. Flip things upside down, and CampMaid's charcoal holder turns your Dutch oven lid into the perfect griddle for cooking pancakes, bacon, eggs, and more. Or how about your very own outdoor pizza oven? Another tool in CampMaid's 3-piece set is this handy flip grill and trivet. So even if you don't have a Dutch oven, you can still use this compact folding system to cook full, delicious barbecue dishes anywhere in the great outdoors, backyard, or even small balcony spaces in the city. Grab a CampMaid Dutch oven and some smoker chips, and this handy tool lets you smoke the most delicious meals for hundreds of dollars less than any other smoker. Plus, it's super portable, so you can smoke meals in places you've never dreamed of smoking before. And that's still not everything. CampMaid's Flip Grill fits inside your 12-inch Dutch oven for steaming veggies out in nature, or holding difficult dishes off the bottom of your oven for perfect, even cooking every time. CampMaid's Kickstand gives you an extra lid tool that holds even 16-inch lids, hands-free, to let you work efficiently while your lid stays clean. It's great for removing coals and letting your lid cool too. Dutch oven cooking has always produced the tastiest food, but after 300 years with no new innovation, CampMaid Solutions is making it fun, exciting, much easier, and opening a whole new world of possibilities for the Dutch oven, barbecue, smoker, and outdoor chef in you. Whether you're a novice or a pro, use your Dutch oven every week, or just want a smart and complete setup for emergency preparedness, you're going to love the security of knowing that you always have a way to easily prepare delicious food at home or on the go. Discover more possibilities, great recipes, and innovative ideas on our website at campmaid.com.